Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clone apps on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to create a duplicate of an app, we need to go to settings, then scroll down to go to apps, and then in the apps you have dual apps. Press create. Over here you have the list of apps that can be duplicated. Of course, not every single app can be duplicated. However, let's say I want to duplicate TikTok, so I can tap on this slider. We need to turn on dual app for Google services, so let's press turn on. We are now creating the duplicate, and there we go, created dual app successfully. If you go to the top, you will find your app over here. You can of course tap on the app once again in order to install the duplication, and there we go, we have our duplicated app. We can recognize the duplication by this orange icon on the bottom left corner, and if you go to the app drawer, you should be able to find the cloned version as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.